come in each race, but they were all of them deceived, for another ring was made. In the land of Mordor, in the fires of Mount Doom, the Dark Lord Sauron forged in secret a master ring to control all others, and into this ring he poured his cruelty, his malice, and his will to dominate all life. One ring to rule them all. One by one, the free lands of Earth fell to the power of the ring. But there were some. A lost alliance of men the power of the ring could not be undone. It was in this moment, when all hope had faded, that Isildur, son of the king,